We're here in Los Angeles at the auto show. We just had the opening breakfast, which Nikola sponsored and hosted.
It's great to be part of a show where we showcase the convergence of technology and mobility. Why are we bringing a truck to a car show in California? Because it's all about California. California is on the cutting edge of decarbonizing long-haul trucking and cleaning up the port. LA and California in general are ground zero for our strategy to decarbonize long-haul transportation.
Today was another awesome day in the history of Nikola.
We were the only ones showing a Class 8 truck at a car show.
And it's a fuel cell electric truck, a zero-emission truck. How cool is that? Follow none. That's what we're about. We haven't followed anyone so far, and we won't follow people. We are pioneering, and we're creating this sustainable future.